Looks like it is a lucky day for a group of scavengers. As we see here, a group of Majungasaurs have found their Apatosaurus to scavenge. Although many persons scavenge in groups, family of carnivores, this plant-eating dino grew to be up to 50 feet long. Some of the largest non-avian dinosaurs, sauropods, lived on plants. Although most paleontologists might have to migrate for fresh food, we see the same behavior with American bison today. How zebras, gazelles, and giraffes can all live together because they eat different kinds of plants at different heights. Looks like a battle of titans. Two male Tyrannosaurus Rex fighting for dominance like male gorillas do today. Gorillas don't always get along. We don't always get along. And ancient dinosaurs didn't always get along. Paleontologists have found food marks indicate that Tyrannosaurus fought with each other, fighting heads and faces. This meaning they and there's some Gallimimus dinosaurs resembling today's ostriches going for a drink. One is looking right at us.
Is that a T-Rex? Look at his teeth.
You brush the sand away to see the dinosaur bones. Oh, Angela, be careful, that was a friend. Throw it. You're going to get it in one of the kids' eyes, and they'll get
Come on, buddy. Good, you got to put your hand up high.
You can put it in your hand. They'll eat it from your hand.
Right from your hand, okay? So, hard. Up and down, up and down.
Good job.